All right, if you want to turn off the randomized MAC address on your Google Pixel phone, you'll need to adjust that setting for a specific Wi-Fi network. To do that, first go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and from there we'll go to Internet. Here, you're going to select the Wi-Fi network that you want to change the setting for. I'm connected to my awesome Verizon Wi-Fi at the moment, so I'll tap the little gear icon next to it to open the settings for this particular network. From here, you'll go to Privacy, and you'll see two options. If you want to turn off the randomized MAC address, just switch it over to Use Device MAC, and you're all set. Using your device MAC address can be useful on home networks that use MAC address filtering, router access controls, or static IP assignments. It can also help if your network keeps asking you to sign in again all the time. The randomized MAC, on the other hand, is generally the better option for public Wi-Fi networks, like airports, hotels, or coffee shops, because it helps prevent those networks from tracking your device across multiple visits. Also, keep in mind that this setting only applies to this specific Wi-Fi network. If you connect to a different Wi-Fi network later, your Pixel will default back to using a randomized MAC address to help protect your privacy. Anyways, click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.